Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop automatically recording Fathom meetings. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just downloaded Fathom, and now every time you hop into a Google Meets call or every time you hop into a Zoom call, it always automatically joins. How do you actually go ahead and stop that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, let's first hop onto our Fathom account. Next, you want to go ahead and click on settings. And then this is a really important step, guys. You're going to see something here called auto record, and then there's a drop down menu. So what you want to do is that you want to set auto record to no meetings and that you'll record manually. If this is set to auto record all meetings, then that means every time you start up Zoom, if you have Zoom enabled, or every time you start up Google Meets or you have Google Meets enabled, it's automatically going to record those meetings. So go ahead and set this to no meetings. I'll record manually, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and stop automatically recording Fathom meetings. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.